series, and this time we are in Fagu in Himachal Pradesh. So let me tell you like where is Fagu. So Fagu is around 45 minutes of drive from Shimla, and it is at an elevation of 2500 meter. So this is a very secluded place which is away from the crowded streets of Shimla. So if you are looking to spend some peaceful time in mountains away from any touristy place, then I think Fagu is a great choice. It is mostly known for its apple orchards and snow-covered Himalayas in the backdrop. It is believed that Fagu has derived its name from the word fog, and it is covered in fog for almost 9 months a year. So this is our bedroom, and here is the attached bathroom as well. And the bedroom is quite spacious. We also have a TV and this small rack, and the wardrobe is also there. And the best part is that from room we have these big windows from where we are getting a beautiful view of outside of the valley. We have also a small sofa here in the room. Now let's see the seating area. So this is the complete wardrobe, which is quite spacious. This is the sitting area, and we have this kettle. So basically right from your room you get a beautiful 360-degree view of the valley. This is the entrance, and this is how this entire suite looks like. This is the sitting area, and then there is the bedroom. This whole place is covered by green pine and cedar trees, and it has a very beautiful and dreamy landscape. So like as I gave you an entire tour of this place, I would like to tell you a couple of things. That here in Fagu there is nothing much to explore. So if you want to spend some evening time, you want to go and explore some cafe and explore some touristy place, then maybe you have to go to Theog or Shimla. But if you're looking to spend some peaceful time, relax and stay in mountains, I think this is a great place. If I talk about food, then they do not have any attached kitchen to this suite. So you have to order food from their cafe itself. They have their menu card, but they have a shared kitchen. So if you want to cook something, it is allowed over here. So that's not a problem. But nearby within 500 meter up to 1 kilometer, you will get many general stores and basic needs, medical store. All these things are available here. this was pretty much I wanted to share with you about this homestay. I'm staying here for another couple of days and I will explore Theog and Shimla. So I will definitely release a video on what best to do nearby. So till then, stay tuned and thank you so much for watching this video. Happy traveling.